Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and the next video is on how to convert any part solid model into sheet metal. So for performing that operation, first of all we have to create a solid part. So let's get started. From the starting, click on file, take new file, and here from select the subtype as a solid and untick this, click OK. Make it into millimeters and OK. And next, draw the sketch on the front plane, sketch this and make it in sketch view. Okay, and take this line command and draw the shape like this. Okay, the sketch is ready. Click on this green tick mark and make it extrude. Okay, just increase this extrude up to 300. Click on green tick mark. Now the object is ready for performing the operations of convert this solid into sheet metal. So that option you can find from this operations group. Click on operations and at the last you could see this convert to sheet metal. So click on that option, and here are the two way for performing this. Click on the shell and click on thickness as 2 millimeter and click on this references and click on this remove surface. Select the items, mainly select the surfaces. Okay, I would like to select this. Click on the surface. Next, press Ctrl key on your keyboard and select this surface. Okay, here you can see, and again press Ctrl key and select this face also, and select this face also. Okay, in this way you can make it into sheet metal, this solid part, and whatever the surfaces are in this part you can select. Okay, like this. If you wanted to remove that surfaces, so click on the surface and remove this. Okay, one by one we can remove that. Now this is the one way to perform this operation. Click on this tick mark. Here you can see. Now delete this. Click on right click on this and delete this. Okay, and again click on this operations and click on convert to sheet metal. And the second way is driving surfaces. Click on driving surfaces, click on the references and select driving surface. Okay, I select this driving surface, keep model geometry. Okay, like this. And next click on this thickness. I would like to make it 2 and enter. Okay, now this surface okay, now only this surface is of 2 millimeters. I can make the changes if I would like to make it into 10 millimeters. So put the thickness over there, and only this surface is of 10 millimeter thickness. Okay, and the remaining this surface, this and this all are of 1 millimeter. Okay, if you add to this, so just here is one option, include surfaces. Click on include surfaces, press Ctrl key on your keyboard and select this surface. Okay, in this way you can add with the other one surfaces with 10 mm thickness. If I click on this, press Ctrl key and select this surface. Okay, so system will generate this surface also with a 10 millimeter thickness. Okay, if you have or wanted to delete this one, so click on details and here are the selected surfaces. Click on this and right click and click on remove. Okay, so this surface is removed and click on OK. Okay, now this surface is removed. Only these surfaces, these two surfaces are of the 10 millimeter thickness. Okay, and here is also one more option, extrude surface. Click on this. Okay, so if you want to exclude from this. Press Ctrl key and select the surface. Okay, so this surface will be excluded from the drawing. Okay, click on the surface like this. Actually it is already in that face, excluded. So in this two way you can use or convert this solid part into solid part to the sheet metal. Again right click on this and edit this. You can again edit this solid part like this. Click on the driving surfaces. Here is your driving surface. Click on reference and include surfaces, and next select this also, and this and this. Okay, and this also. Click on green tick mark. Okay, the surfaces look like. I would also like to select that surface also. Click on OK, and okay, now you can again edit this. Right click on this and click on edit like this, and click on drawing surfaces. Click on references and include surfaces. Select this also. It is not generating actually, but this is able to generate this. If you click on this, if you click on this also, okay, so it is also generated, and this is also generated. Here you can see. Now click on India for extrude surfaces. Click on this detail. Select these both the surfaces and remove from here. This also remove, and okay, and now click on this include surfaces and select this surface. Okay, now it is able to acquire or take the property of this 10 mm thickness. Okay, now click on this green tick mark and OK. Now you have successfully converted that solid part into sheet metal of 10 mm according to your requirement or as a customer drawing. Okay, so thank you very much friend for watching this video. This is all about this how to convert solid part to sheet metal. If you are new on this channel, so kindly subscribe this channel for getting latest update and more video related to industry skill and design softwares. So thank you very much friend.